Save money on food right now. With all the rising prices due to inflation, we could use some good tips to save money. In this video I'll tell you my best tips to save money on your groceries. The most expensive item in your supermarket cart may very well be the meat. You might easily save money each month if you purchase during a 50% markdown. Nowadays, every big box retailer has their own brand that is typically 50% less expensive. You can reduce your grocery bill by 50% using this method. The best day to go grocery shopping is Wednesday because this is when most supermarkets release fresh circulars, guaranteeing you get first dibs on the best offers. When you're trying to scrape by while living paycheck to paycheck, tracking sales cycles can be helpful. This will enable you to gather enough of those essentials to see you through each sale. Why not ask for a discount if something is getting close to its sell-by date? The amount of the price reduction or the coupons they offer can surprise you. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe. Why not check the internet to see if there are any additional discounts you can locate for your upcoming shopping trip? Through specialized discount websites, you can find specific brand coupons online. Combine coupons. If the coupon says it is a store coupon, you can also use a manufacturer's coupon on that same purchase. That's because the store is paying for the additional discount. This is called coupon stacking. On double coupon days, some grocery stores will double the value of any coupons you present. For example, a $1 off coupon would be worth $2 off on that particular day. Calling your local grocery store chains directly is the best method to learn which ones offer these double coupon days and when. When you use an app to organize your weekly shopping visits, you'll also benefit from its coupon matching feature, which notifies you of any additional savings that are available on the items you're purchasing at the store. By using the app, you can save anywhere between 20% and 70% on each item, which can add up to hundreds of dollars per year. Loyalty programs are something that grocery companies offer because they desire returning customers. Savings might be up to $20 or more every shopping trip. Finding the cheapest prices on particular products may take some effort, but thorough comparison shopping at other grocery stores can help. The cheapest grocery stores for some items will be different than the cheapest grocery stores for other times. Instead of just picking up the first thing you see on the shelf, make sure to look over the entire shelf to get the best supermarket prices. Knowing that customers are most likely to grab these things, grocery retailers frequently stock their priciest items near eye level. Keep an eye out for a fantastic bargain, combine it with coupons and in-store promotions, and purchase a higher quantity. By using this method, you can easily save 50% or more off the items you would normally purchase.